Hey everyone, I have been packing for Etsy all day, and the mailman ran and I had 3 packages from YouTube sellers. So I said, well, it's the perfect time to take a break because I am whipped. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do an opening online, and the first one is from One-Legged Witchy Woman. I don't remember what I bought, to be honest with you. So let me see if I can get into them without tearing up anything. It is. I am the world's worst for cutting into stuff. Okay. The cardboard in it. Cool. Okay, this is everything I bought at Laura's sale. Oh, we've got some Christmas ephemera. This is adorable. A little thank you thing. Oh, how cute. I think this is what I am going to use this almost immediately if this is what I think it is, because I need a couple more of these to finish a project. Oh, come on, Kathy. Open it. See, I just busted myself and it works every time. It is. Oh my heavens, Laura, you have no idea how much I needed these. But she made some little tags. And these are little quilt pieces that are going to complete a crazy quilt I have been working on for, wow, almost a year now. So I got 3 of these. And maybe I will need 3 more. We'll see. But I'll just cut them if I do. And then I bought this bingo board because I wanted to make a desk cover for the night that we play bingo. And this is, what's her name? Y'all know. Good gravy. Anyway, I got a lot of these sheets of her books. Golly. Edith Holden. I had to look over there to my books. And I use the heck out of these in my consignment journals, because I do a lot of botanical consignment. And then, did I buy this? I must have, because it's here. On the cardboard. Let me see what this is. It looks like I think this is the gypsy package that I needed to put with the gypsy journal I'm working on. I just keep sticking more and more stuff in that box. I should just finish it. Oh, pretty papers. I love yellow and teal. My 2 favorite colors, and everybody thinks it's pink. I love pink, but I love yellow and teal, my favorites. So these are going to go great with that journal. And maybe now I have enough to actually do it and finish it. Oh, I love these envelopes. These are going to be great in there. Wow, I love them. Ooh, look at these sparkly papers. These are going to be cool. So I don't know if she'll be doing more sales or not. You know, all of us are about sold out, burned out. But if she does, you guys need to hit up her sales, because she always has great prices and great stuff. So this is a bag of fibers and appliques. So yes, it will all go to good use. So that is One-Legged Witchy Woman, Laura, who used to be my sidekick in bingo. But her channel name is One-Legged Witchy Woman. So, let me set this one here. The next one is from the Dafi auction. I'm assuming it is because it's Jean Peters' Return Address. And I haven't bought anything from Jean Peters, so. Yep, it is. assuming there's nothing in there. No, it's just the paper. I guess this is a thank you gift. It's a tag. Oh yeah, little robot. And he's in a wheelchair, and I'm teaching the kids about differently abled people, so I thought this would be great for that lesson. Let's see, Eiffel, all babes are wolves. Huh? I don't think I bought this one. I don't know why I would have. Yeah. I don't know, maybe I did. I don't know why I would have. But they're going to get away for bingo. Okay, I know I bought these. This is going to go in a shadow box. This is going to go in a shadow box. This is going to be dyed today. It is actually a pillow sham. And I'm going to cut the back off of it and dye the top of it. And it is going to have pink satin underneath it for, I hope I can take that off. I think I can. I think I can. But it will have pink satin underneath it for a table scarf in my bedroom. So, this is what I got from the dafi auction. The last one is donnadreamsx3. Huh? Oh, these are bingos. These are bingos. How cute. These are little door hangers for bingo. She did tell me she was sending us some stuff for bingo. How stinking cute. Wow. Oh. Well, there's not a pink one in there, so there's not one I'll steal. Or peel. And these are stuff I bought from her. She makes these little bows. And I always fix my online store packages. I wrap them up real pretty, so I bought these to put on them. So, she said these are towel holders. I crochet. Wow, Donna. Very gifted. I crochet for bingo prizes. Also the bows you wanted. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They're gorgeous. I can't wait to use these. So, come to bingo, you might get a towel holder. Wow, she's done a lot of them too. They're thick too. So guys, that's it for today's packages. And I will be back soon to start on that journal. Sorry I had to cancel last night's live. Those babies get sick and they give it to me like the plague. But I'll do a video and start it and then do some more videos and do some more lives by myself, I guess, on it. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.